channel, Queen Amber. Thank you for watching. And today I will be doing a lock retwist tutorial for my locks. I started locking my hair March 2nd and I did my last retwist like May kinda. So it's been about 2 months and my hair is definitely grown out. I've already washed my hair, so I will be using the Mielle Organics, of course, shampoo, the strengthening rosemary mint shampoo, and also the pomegranate honey leave-in conditioner. I got my clips, baby. I have my lock firming wax by Mango and Lime. And my clips, they're 80 prong clips, they work great. And I got my comb, baby. Ooh. So let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, y'all, so right here you just see me checking my parts, like getting everything together. I got the comb. I don't use the comb to twist. I'm just using that to make sure everything's straight. So here I'm twisting at the base, around and around. I'm going all the way down. Even a little string of hair that I may have, I'm wrapping that. Yeah, I'm wrapping that string all the way around that lock as well as I'm twisting. So yeah, you just see me rub, scrub, and I'm just gonna clip that one, and I'm gonna show you one more time for the ones in the back. That's me putting that mango and lime firming wax on my hair right there. And I'm just checking the parts again. Chloe's holding the mirror, you guys, the mirror behind me, so I'm looking in the mirror in front of me. Y'all know how I go. Yeah, ain't nothing like a little assistant to help you. Putting that mango and lime wax on there, baby, once again. And we gonna turn it and twist it and flip it and turn it and around and around and around. All right. Oh, that looks so good. Yes, honey. Rub, scrub, rub it again. Period. But yeah, that's how I do my retwist. You're gonna see it a few more times just to make sure you got it right. Okay, so then right here you're gonna see me again starting my next box, and I see a little piece of hair out of wax, so yeah, I'm gonna take that wire and just fix that. Period. Crispy parts. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Put that mango and lime on there and twist it once again. I'm right-handed, so I turn it to the right, I guess. I don't know if that's the right. I don't know. But yeah, I'm scrub it, twist it. Make sure it's nice and tight, but not too tight. Not like it's uncomfortable. It's just tight enough to where it looks neat and nice, you guys. Struggling to put that clip on there. Oh, there we go. I got it. And I'm going to do it one more time. Checking that part, baby. Look how much my hair has grown out. Like, I colored my hair right before I got it locked. I started like my starter twist March 2nd of this year with a 2-strand twist starter, you guys. And look how much it's grown. I'm so proud of myself. Fixing that part. Yes, ma'am. Come on, get it right. Twist it. Look at that pinky, baby. I'm fancy.
All right, you guys, I'm officially done with my retwist. I started like 5 o'clock. It took me a few hours. I had to stop and fix the kids something to eat and all the other mess. But I'm officially done. It is like 12:30. I'm gonna mousse it using this Mielle Organics pomegranate honey mousse. And I'm gonna wrap my hair with these wraps right here. And that's the plan, you guys. This thing is so hard to plump. Like, honey, that's time for that. Oh, here comes Bobo. Hey, Bobo, I'm almost done. Mommy's done. Like, am I gonna sleep with these clips in my head? Yeah. It might be a little difficult or hard, y'all, but nothing's too hard to a real nigga, like. So I'm just saying it. Ain't nothing too hard. Like one of these in my hair. And I'm just gonna put it around. Yeah, I'm putting it over my ears. I don't care right now. My ears be like stuck to my head when I wake up in the morning. But I'm still gonna do it. My do-rag, I got this from the guy who did my locks, who first did my starter locks. It's like silk on the inside, this on the outside, and of course it's my favorite color. But yeah, the guy who did my starter locks, first off, he's in Memphis, Tennessee. His name is Locks_by KC, or KC does my locks or something like that on Instagram. But I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can follow him and stuff, because he's real cool, real sweet. The only reason I haven't went back to him is because once I figure out I can do something on my own, because I've done so many hairstyles on my own. Like the first time I did faux locks, I've done passion twists on myself. I've done, what's some other little pretty locks that like you crochet them in and then wrap the hair around them. And I do a lot of hairstyles on my own. So I feel like once I come to YouTube University and figure out like and find out a routine or a technique on how to do something, baby, I got it. So that's why I'm doing this to somebody else. So, you know, and maybe other women out here, you know, women, you know how black women are, you know how we love, we can master our own hair, baby. So that's why I'm making this video for other women. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the morning with the finished product. See you soon. This is like the final product. Like,
no, I'm just
y'all like in the back, like, ooh, like yes, honey. I'm very happy about it. Even though it looks kind of crazy, I'm gonna do a cute style with it. Like, I don't know how to act. Like, I can have it over to the side. Like, look how I just feel fine as hell right now, y'all. Like, I don't even know. Like, I don't even know how to do the styles like that, but I could probably like do something like this, like cute little style. Very cute. I'm gonna put a quick clip in it. Let's see. Okay. Another clip. Let's see. This ain't the clip I'm gonna use, y'all, because I got plenty of other clips. I'm just trying to see what the style looks like. Like, stop playing. Take a look at this. Stop playing with me. Like, this is beautiful. Like, I feel beautiful. I feel like, Amber, you did the damn thing. Like, Amber. Look at this. Look at these parts. It's clean. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I think I might like, I seen this girl like twist, she twisted it and then twisted it the opposite way and like made do like this. You see what I'm saying? She put it in there, twisted it, twist the opposite directions. So that may be what I'm gonna do. Okay, you guys, so thank you for watching my channel. This is the finished product. I feel absolutely beautiful. Like, I know I just said it was hot. I didn't want to go nowhere, but now, like, I want to go somewhere. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more details you want to see. Some styles I do with these locks. Let me know. Comment in the background. Thank you for watching.